commercially available ELISA test kits include microplates coated with the antigen of interest and all the necessary reagents. The test should be carried out following the manufacturer's instructions. Dispense the dilution buffer provided by the kit into the wells of the antigen-coated microplate in the proportions suggested by the manufacturer in order to create the proper dilution of the serum samples. Add the positive and negative controls provided by the kit in duplicate. And then add serum samples in the remaining wells. In competitive ELISA kits, where serum from different species may be tested, specific dilution factors are indicated in the instructions, depending on the species under examination. Incubate the microplate at 37 degrees Celsius for the time indicated by the manufacturer to permit the development of an antigen-antibody immunocomplex. After incubation, wash the wells by rinsing with the wash solution provided in the kit. The washing step is usually repeated several times according to the manufacturer's instructions. Prepare the enzyme conjugated antibody by diluting it in the appropriate dilution buffer. This step differs with reference to an indirect ELISA or a competitive ELISA. In indirect ELISA tests, a specific species antibody is conjugated to the enzyme, and the test can be used only for the species indicated by the manufacturer. In contrast, competitive ELISA is based on a monoclonal antibody enzyme conjugate directed against specific epitopes of antigen of interest, allowing for the detection of antibodies in sera collected from all species. Dispense the conjugated antibody into each well. A second incubation is carried out to allow the development of a second immunocomplex. After the incubation, the entire washing procedure is repeated to eliminate the conjugate in excess. Finally, add the substrate and allow for colour development for a few minutes in the dark, as recommended by the manufacturer. When the colour reaction has finished, add the stop solution provided in the kit and read the results using a spectrophotometer at the wavelength recommended by the manufacturer. Positive results in the indirect ELISA are coloured, since the conjugated species-specific antibody binds to the AI antibody present in the positive serum. On the contrary, in competitive ELISA assays, positive results are uncoloured. In positive sera, the antigen-antibody complex masks the epitope against which the conjugated monoclonal antibody is directed. The optical density of the colour is measured by means of a spectrophotometer. Each manufacturer will specify in their instructions the reference values required for validation of the test and the proper formulas for interpretation of the results obtained. At present, a variety of different ELISA kits are now available on the market, allowing for the detection of the presence of specific antibodies against the nucleoprotein NP and the matrix protein M of the avian influenza viruses, as well as hemagglutinin 5 and neuraminidase 1.